Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your audio on Google Meet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. Once you do that, you can paste the link you got or type in the meeting code, then join it into the Google Meet. Then on your screen, you can see options like captions, reactions, and present now. Select present now option. Now you can see you can present a Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. Whatever you choose to share, all you have to do is find this also share tab audio. Right beside it, you can see a small button which you can turn it off or turn it on. Well, to share your audio, all you have to do is turn it on, and guys, then you have to select the window or screen, then tap on share. And guys, that's it. That's how you share your audio on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.